Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mailgun integration for transactional emails. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Mailgun website at mailgun.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Integrations section in the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to see a list of available integrations. Find the option for transactional emails in the integrations list. Click on the transactional email integration option to view more details. Read through the integration details and prerequisites. Follow any setup instructions specified on this page. After confirming your setup, locate the download link provided for the integration. Click the download link to start the download process. Once the file is downloaded, open your File Explorer. Navigate to the location where the file was downloaded. Extract the contents of the downloaded file if it is zipped. Open the extracted folder to view the integration files. Follow the installation instructions included in the files. If there are any code snippets provided, copy them as instructed. Go back to your application's codebase. Paste the code snippets into the appropriate files as per the instructions. Save your changes and ensure everything is properly set up. Finally, test the integration by sending a test email to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.